Jain Vidyalaya, life with nature, our winged wonders and colorful blooms, our green friends and beautiful blossoms. Mother Nature at her best, from dawn to dusk. As the day ends with a golden light, the stage is set for a wonderful sight.
Namaste and a very pleasant evening to each and everyone present here. It's my privilege and pleasure to present the annual report for the year 2019-20. It has been a truly rewarding year. The excellent academic achievement of our class 10 children in All India Secondary School examination was the highlight of the year. A batch of 49 children appeared for the exam, and we are proud to announce that we had a 100% result with all students getting a first class and 16 students securing 90% and above. Kudos to the team of teachers and students. The topper of the school was Susita, who scored 489 out of 500 with a credit of 2 centums and an outstanding academic performance in social science, mathematics and Tamil among the 0.1% of successful candidates. The second place was secured by Akshat Jain with 485 out of 500, and the third place was shared by Motishri, Hemant Gangesh and Kalaivani with 479 out of 500. Our centum scorers were Susita, Kushal Jain, Jennifer Joy, Jayashri and Akshat Jain in social science, and again Susita in mathematics. Each and every atom of the school works in alignment with our vision, holistic development and creating the leaders of tomorrow. To accomplish this, our students are exposed to 10 fine arts activities and 11 physical activities. The new physical activity, Malakam, introduced this year is gaining momentum as JV is the only school in Madurai offering this activity.
The co-curricular and extracurricular activities offered to us has empowered us a lot and helped us to bring laurels to our school. Rahul strikes it big in rifle shooting. Rahul of grade 11 has participated in the national level shooting championship, and in the 45th Tamil Nadu State Shooting Championship 2019, he won an array of 9 medals, 5 gold and 4 silver in the junior men individual and team and youth men individual and team categories respectively.
In Under 10 Fencing State Championship held in Namakkal, Indian and Jainam Shahadi of Grade 5 bagged silver. In Under 14 Sub-Junior Fencing State Championship held in Erode, Harshan won silver.
Yashwant and Logit Ashwa have won silver in Karate State Level Championship. Sri Yuvantika Chandra, Agam, Nishant and Ritika have won bronze in the same SGKS State Level Karate Championship.
In state level skating hockey competition, Pooja and Vibhasa bagged gold in the sub-junior category. In district level skating hockey competition, Pooja, Asin, Vibhasa, Veera Madhubala and Ashwini won silver in the sub-junior category. The skating squad, Srijit Gandhi, Sethra and Ashwini has won silver and bronze medals in under 19 and under 17 categories respectively in the Madurai Sahodaya Sports and Games held in Dindigul.
In Patanjali South Zone Level Yoga Championship, our JVNs won 8 gold, 10 silver and 12 bronze medals and have added more colorful feathers to our cap.
In Kung Fu district level tournament, Veera Adityan won gold in the sub-junior category and Anvita, Ved Kumar Rathi, Harish Karthik and Vedha have won silver medals in under 9 and junior 1 category.
The swimming swifters Lekshna Shri and Sajid Ganesh of grade 2 have won gold in Sahodaya Sports and Games swimming tournament under 8 category. Kritika Sharma, Drishti Kotari, Darshana Tejashri and Elil Arasi have won gold medals in under 14 category. Gautam, Roshan, Darun Tejaswin, Dhruv Kotari, Shan Yogis have won bronze in various events in Sahodaya swimming tournament. In the 11th district level swimming competition, Darshana Tejashri won 2 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze medals. Dhruv Kothari, 1 silver. Hemashri won bronze in Group 2. Kritika Sharma won 2 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals. Drishti Kothari won 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze. LLRSC bagged 3 golds and 3 silver. Pavan Kumar, Roshan and Eric Sherwin Sampson each won 1 bronze medal in Group 3 category. Our young swimmer, Mitran of Grade 2, won 2 silver and 1 bronze medals. Gautam won 3 gold and 2 bronze medals. Satvik 1 gold. Sarvesh 1 silver. Athena Rachel won 3 gold and 1 silver medals in other categories.
Our table tennis players, Riya Bose and Nidhu Yarni, have won the Best Player Award, and Harshini emerged as runner in the Madurai Sahodaya Sports and Games held in Dindigul.
The JV cricket team participated in the Vikasa Cricket Academy tournament and won the second prize. Our finance team too have added laurels to our school. Yajanesh of grade 9 participated in the 9th state level arts competition IQMA and has won the second place. Our team also participated in the district level Talent Fiesta 2019 and have won first place in orchestra, including 11 students playing keyboard, violin and drums. Second place in violin solo by Drishti Kothari and drum solo by Yajanesh.
The JV elections 2019 was digital this time, and all the students and teachers cast their votes to the deserving candidates. The investiture ceremony took place with systematic procedures, and we stand before you as the proud leaders. We demonstrated the best sportsmanship characters, and so our annual sports meet was a grand success.
What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you. These 7 habits help us to be effective leaders. The Leadering program has reached level 2. Training programs for teachers and students have helped us carve out the leaders in us.
We proudly inaugurated JV in Track Club this year. As the president of JV in Track Club, I, Akshat, along with Vice President Kayalvili, the Secretary Pratham, the Treasurer Kalash, and the club members, planned and executed various charity projects.
Yes, we experienced the joy of giving when we donated goodies to needy kids and felt responsible when we participated in the rally for Swachh Bharat. The icing on the cake was JV Funtopia, a fun fair organized by the JV in Track Club as a fundraising event. We raised 1 lakh rupees to serve the community.
The Student Council conducts meetings with its members and attends meetings with the management to discuss student suggestions and feedback for the improvement of the school. They inaugurated the second honesty shop in the administrative block.
Our school opens its gate to holistic development by providing opportunities to learn and think beyond 4 walls.
We actively participated in Aryabhatta Gannet Challenge, Science and Math Olympiad, National Essay Contest, Petroleum and Oil Conservation Drawing Contest, Handwriting Olympiad, Literary Day Contest, NIITs, IT Fest, etc.
In the National Science Olympiad, we have won 18 gold, 11 silver and 11 bronze medals.
Our friend Hemat Gangesh participated in Inspire Internship Science Camp for 5 days held in Srimad Andavar College, Tiruchirappalli. Kitchen Garden, a hands-on skill project undertaken by students of grade 8 to appreciate the importance of agriculture and organic farming. Harvest tasted better when we were drenched in sweat and covered with dirt. No chemical fertilizers, no pesticides, fresh veggies, healthy life.
Skill Angels, a cognitive learning program to develop 5 skills: memory, visual processing, focus and attention, problem solving and linguistics through games. This year, the Skill Angels Olympiad was conducted for teachers too and were provided with the Golden Guru Awards.
Image Minds, a program to enhance creativity creativity in young minds. It focuses on digital photography, fashion designing, clay modeling, perspective drawings, video makings, etc. iCreas, the art exhibition, is held every year to showcase our creativity. We participated in inter-school competitions held in Mahatma and BMJ schools.
Competitions held within the school helped us to identify our innate talents. Symmetry art, 60 seconds to fame, design a logo, word world, crisis management, just a minute, be a cartographer, book adventure are worth a mention. Field trips too helped us to widen our knowledge and understanding. Trip to organic farm, Gandhi Museum, Keeladi excavation site, etc.
JV Expo, an expo to explore our potential. We displayed themes based on English, math, science, social science and computer. It was the best example for synergy.
We celebrated all the festivals with great care, such that the essence of each festival was tasted by everybody. The tiny tots of kindergarten had fun-filled events throughout the year. Grandparents' Day, Splash Pool activity, Red Blue Yellow Day, Kalam Uncle's birthday, Girl Child Day, Tiger Day, etc.
Every activity in the school is planned for the overall growth of the children. To inculcate a healthy and competitive spirit, we select students as stars of the month based on specific criteria and not only on academics. To ensure the physical well-being of the students and teachers, a medical camp is conducted every year. I feel very happy and proud to announce that our school is recognized as Fit India School by the Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Feedback is a gift. Ideas are the currency of our next success. We value both feedback and ideas. Our open house and open forum are conducted in such a way that parents feel free to give their suggestions and feedback. Leadership is affirming people's worth and potential so clearly that they are inspired to see it in themselves. Our vision and mission is to create the leaders of tomorrow. Jain Vidyalaya empowers children and helps them to move confidently in the direction of their dreams. Let's march together. Jai Hind.